Hi, I'm Cassie, and welcome to Surprise Us Play. Today we are going to be opening the limited edition aphmau MeeMeow plushes, and I am super duper stoked. I hope I don't get doubles, but we shall see what happens. If I get doubles, I usually just give them away because you can't really customize these little guys. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to pick the middle one, obviously. Okay, let's see what's in it. Okay, before we open this MeeMeow, sorry to interrupt your viewing, these are the cuties we can get. So I'm hoping I get this one at least, or this one, but I'm sure I'll get at least one of those. I hope I get all of them. So let's continue. Green one! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like a little St. Patty's one. Little shamrocks. Look at its little eyes. It's got shamrocks in its eyes. So this one is called Green Unicorn Cat. How original. Green Unicorn Cat. How cute. We're gonna call her Shammy. So here's Shammy. And we are going to open another one. Let's open this one. No, this one. No, this one. This one. Pink! Oh. So cute, look. So her name is Pink Unicorn Cat. You know, I really think they could have come up with more interesting names than that, but that's all right, they're cute. So we're going to name her Daisy. Even though I don't think those flowers are daisies, but we're gonna name her Daisy. Okay, let's see, what should we open next? This one? Ooh, let's open this one. Okay. Cute, this one has sparkles. Their little eyes are so cute. This little purple one, I'm gonna guess this is called Little Purple Cat. It's called Purple Unicorn Cat. I was close. So here is Purple Unicorn Cat. Let's see if we get the whole collection. I'm not quite sure if we're gonna get it, but we'll see. All right, Orange Unicorn Cat. She's so cute. Oh, look at her little eyes. Cute. I like her. What should we name her? The ones I haven't named, you guys should comment below what I should name them. Okay, let's open this one. Yellow Unicorn Cat. She's got butterflies. She's so cute. So let's call her Flutterby. Next one. This one's adorable. Turquoise Unicorn Cat. Oh, she's so cute. These are so squishy. Have you guys seen the big ones? If you guys have seen the big ones, comment below. Let me know which ones you guys have if you have the big ones. My daughter got the rare one. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so jealous. She won't give it to me. Anyways. Oh my gosh, a little Valentine's one. This one's called Red Unicorn Cat. She's so cute. So cute. Okay, we have two more. And another yellow cat. This means we may or may not get the whole collection. Or this means we may not get the whole collection because we have a double. So hopefully we don't have another double. Let's see if we have one. What will it be? I'm so excited. I could tear into it. Yay! Look how cute! It's the Rainbow Unicorn Cat, the one I wanted. I actually got both of the ones I wanted, but does this mean we have all of them? I think so. I think we have everybody. So we have Red Unicorn Cat right here. We have Orange Unicorn Cat right here. Yellow Unicorn Cat right here and here. Green Unicorn Cat right here. Turquoise Unicorn Cat right here. Purple Unicorn Cat right here, Pink Unicorn Cat right here, and Rainbow Unicorn Cat right here. So we did get all of them. This is the benefit of getting a whole box. It's kind of fun just to get one at a time, but it's more fun if you just buy the whole box. You put them in like another box with other little like mini toys that you guys have, and then open them slowly. They're just so cute. I'm so excited to have the whole collection. I absolutely adore them. I think all their faces are so cute. They're so soft. They're so designed cute. The only thing that I might disagree with are their names, because they could have come up with more creative names. But anyways, I love them and I think they're great, and I hope you like them too. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, comment below and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.